What's your new year resolution? Right move, you fi make it right move. Tell everybody you fi make it right move, right move, fi make it right move. Tell Marcia she fi make it right move. One shirt on your back, you make the right move. You should have built one house, now you fi make it right move. Sophie Dunkley, you fi make it right move, you fi make it right move. Tell everybody you fi make it right move right. Oh, what's up against people, my family? People have one bag of time in social media, but them now make a right move. Me hear Marcia, she come and ask about she have a tell, say she have her, no, she asking what is the people them new year resolution she have for her own. And you know, it's just about the people. You understand? When she should be thinking about the right move. You understand? It's about the people. Anyway, before me get in a Marcia saga, no Marcia saga, cause she does a chat off her as usual. But this is a saga. You know the old donkey one from England where every minute she come out against 99? 99. This is how you make smoothie. 99, you don't fit like me. 99, pretty on all side. A pretty on all side 99. I look at me 99, a pretty on all side. You don't know the donkey one there. Me no come across on video. Cause it's like the donkey that Jamaica. But it come like she go way back down in her parish where she come from when she come at Kingston, Cockburn Pen. Down at St. Elizabeth. I assume inside there she is cause a country I hear Peeny Wally. Me say I put me ears at the phone and I time me think I chin me I talk to because I want to chin and self and hangers me talk to and hear so much Peeny Wally. Me I wonder which part self hangers and chin she live. But it come like Sophie Dunkley live which part them manufacture Peeny Wally cause I hear Peeny Wally told me he is sick. Because me put me ears at the phone, you know, because see they want distant from the people them like as some family member and she get off. So what happen now she them distance away from the people them and a video them they on live a video. Them time that the people them call police. So you can cock your ears to listen with the people they must say from a distance. But boy me I tell you the penny while them just in a me ears so in a me ears so one night time as me say me think a chin coat in a tree me a climb on the penny while them a security. You understand? Cause me know Hangis and self never did that come out them there was there. So I must the penny while them was a security when me a climb the coat in a tree. People, but they've now gone no further, you know. We don't know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscription button. And remember, as you hit the video, you hit the thumbs up. And remember to watch the ads. And before I go any further, did you people know that we as platform holders can know when you're not doing the right thing for not doing the wrong thing? Yes, man, we can know when we not do the right thing for not do the wrong thing. It's only that we can sometimes point out each year the old lady. But we know when we're not doing the right thing for not doing the wrong thing. And I notice of late, it's like we're not spending any time to watch the ads. You understand? We're not skipping the ads of late and notice it. We have a thing where we call the analytic that we can go into and see all that is going on our channel. You understand? And from what you may notice is like skip the ads them, you know, man. What is wrong with you know? That's how the platform holder get a revenue, you know. You understand? So anyway, go get back in line for the new year and do the do. Alright? Remember, watch the ads and hit the thumbs up. Alright? And remember, the young entrepreneur, college student, life with Gabby and Chevy, her link of our YouTube channel is in the comment section pin. Give her a subscription. That now costs on neither. No do. Thumbs up. Watch the video. Subscribe to our channel. That now costs on. So no just go ahead and do it. Give you that for showing us on appreciation of us. Alright? By hit the thumbs up and watch the videos and watch the ads. Share them also if you want this channel to grow or any other channel you love and you want it to grow. You share the videos also. Alright? So we can attract new subscribers. Alright? Yes, man. Uno is the one that have to help the channel to grow, else it won't grow. A phone channel, you know, if you don't sound love it, I don't love the platform holder. Don't be no haters. Just do the do. Cause you don't know the do. Alright? We don't have to school you know. Phone do the do. We just do the do. Alright. Anyway, listen Sophie Dunkley. You see, all these ears them are people here. Wouldn't say years, but of recent times, them are on phone. A fast in a people business. A seek out people business. I involve themselves in a people business when I concern them and people family matters. But yet still, feed them won't come like family ties. You understand? Alright. Listen what I go on. Listen Pina one of them too, you know. They want to sing like Bob
Move a
Marley.
blood clot. Whatever day in England. Move a pussy clot and go.
Jesus, YouTube too. I know me. I know me. And next door. I know me YouTube. And next door. I know me.
Go. You too lie. Go. Guilt got kill you now. What that have to do with you now? Bad man got kill you now. Bad man got kill you now. Go. You call police. Me have England to back me. Tell the whole world.
You have England to back you? So wait. All the while me hear you talk these nonsense. You don't feel like if you don't go into a different jurisdiction, go break the law, and the law take its course. You don't feel like the country where your son is our citizen of can't come here, come back, you know? And a war country, you know? If you say you don't hold hostage and we are going to plea bargain, you come and you break the law of a different country. Not saying you break the law now, you know. But all the while me hear them talk about, oh, me have America to back me. Oh, like she, you know, me have England to back me. Go in a one different jurisdiction and go break the people them law and talk about England will back you and Canada will back you and America will back you and see if you're not going to depend on your own. You will be on your own. You was not hold hostage in any form of, you know, double AR or any form of, you know, and you're no celebrity. So England or America or Canada is going to come out and some negotiation for you. Who is you? Pay the consequence, yeah, man.
The truth. Wicked. You're too wicked. You may talk the truth. My mother in there. Now stay here, so. Too wicked.
You see it? But here still you cuss people who have them own. You know, stay there, so. You don't feel like all these years where they are in England. You look at the whole house where they have done a Richard, the road bottom there, so on Morrison Avenue. Well, what they may park, they come like it turn one whole garage. Because all kind of old vehicles me see a park there. And the black them start coming like them a crumble over here now because nothing more than them start water soak. And easily man them a climb up and if you go sit down and them a tear down. You know, feel like if you spend time, the same time where you spend in a phone and get yourself focused and work out your way how you go finish the unfinished building where you start 10 years ago and can't do nothing more upon it. You know, feel like you're better off. You wouldn't dare to say no at all about, oh, me now stay here so because what? The family members them against you. You understand? Because probably them feel like you're running because you want to come take over now. And that's the reason why them say God bless the man that has his own. No matter where daddy have and papa have and father have and sister have and brother have and mama, mommy have and Ray have. God bless the man that has his own. When you have your own and your own, you dictate. But when you have to sit down and depend on people, they will dictate. Or you will have some form of confusion. Not to mention, when you know, say, boy, a spoils. You know, say mama and papa spoils, family spoils. You feel like family are going to allow you to come take all the spoils. Them they want you shared because them want the whole light. So that's why God bless the man that has his own. Alright? Yes, people. Continue to listen. People might be asking why I'm playing this woman, you know. If you don't notice, I don't really recognize this woman, you know. Really and truly. But you see, like times like this, you know, you kind of have to show them up. You have to bring them back. in the limelight because of what they have done in the past. So when you sit down and reflect on all this, what happened to she now, right here, so. Because this is just some family problem, you know. But here says she sit at England and I ride one high horse, like she's okay and comfortable and in a well-being situation and condition, criticizing other people who are trying to put a foot forward and gain what them can gain and achieve what them can achieve in a life, and try to put down the people them. And then now she did join forces with a set of people where she's no longer allied with, make it even worse them time there. You understand what I say too, no? So now when you see all them something here, me only sorry say her two little suitcase and luggage where she go there with, when she reach the gate, me only sorry say I never lock them lucky gate pan her and let go all the dog them. Yes man. Me sorry I never that happen. When she go there and swear she are welcome, them lock the gate pan her and let go the dog them. Cause one little truck, you know, when the police car come and the light turn on and a shine, you can see the whole place bright up like when stadium ball turn on. Cause the way the place dark, the little headlamp where you get from the station light, me I tell you, just bright up the little truck. Tell you, listen people.
Wicked Satan them. Wicked Satan. Family member are wicked.
Like the police arrive now, people. So she getting a little bit closer to the action because she want to hear.
Guys, wanna stay on the line with me.
So if you say guys gonna stay on the line with me, she a big company because she want people to. So wait, anything to happen now, the guys on the line can't help you. The money where the man come give evidence. What if it happen done happen already?
Me are the life. Oh no, say me are the life. Why the life matter? Why the life matter? If me are the life, why the life matter? None of me are the life. Anything me are do are evidence. Evidence.
Secure back to
You
England.
understand? Jamaica lawless. Jamaica is a lawless country.
So why you
and
come here?
Me.
Why you come here?
Yes, and threaten me. Me attack. And threaten me. Jamaica lawless.
Alright, you see? This is what I can't understand with human being. Let's not go human being. In we adults, the police them come, basically the police them come and them go to who call them. Alright? Basically, really and truly, after you go to the person that calls you, because when you're calling to the police, you know, the police going to ask you your name and stuff and ask if you have a phone number, your address, where them come. So basically, them will come to you, we call. Them come and them hear the matter, and after them hear the matter from you, they might go to the next party to hear what is really going on and what the matter for. Or if a two of them come, what them normally do, one go talk to that person there, and one talk to the next person. And then when them don't know the two of them, which is the police, them go one away and them talk to them, one of them say, what that one there say? And that one and them try to see if there is a controversial thing there. Then if anything and it's serious, they might tell you, okay, take notes in them book and tell you, okay, like one night, tomorrow morning you come to the station and both of you are going to come lodge a complaint and you take it from there if you can reason it out or whatsoever, you go ahead and do it. If it's something where the police can reason out on the scene and say, okay, Ray, we are not decide for that's it. But the police really never go to she. For what reason I don't know. That is the donkey. They want to go to the person, they may call them. So when the police them were going away, she was like, so officer, you have to take my statement, you have to hear my statement too, you have to take my statement too, you have to take. And she walk down the police and the police them drive out of the yard, go out the door. She go with her camera. The police said, don't put no camera on me. Don't put no camera on me, no. Lady, Miss Dunkley, don't put any camera on me. She said, me not put the pan. She did that talk. She said, so why you come here for them statement and you don't want to hear my one? So the police was like saying, what is your report? You know why I hear my report? Come for my report. The police said, what is your report? She insists the police come out of the car. And the pan, you don't take my report, you know. And all the police are ask her, what is her report? What statement she want to lay? She not say it, but the hear her right here, so the pan. Wanna check me? Wanna check? So why you never tell the police when they ask you what is it you want to report? Say, yeah, report a threat. Wanna continue to listen. Then big old, you know, people here in a phone and go and tell sensible people. Because they didn't have common sense, you know. Much as capital sense, you know. Then when them a call people say people dunce, and them not have common sense, and then not have that even the capital sense, much as the common.
Wanna threaten me? Wanna threaten me today? Wanna threaten me? Wanna call police for me? Wanna call police for me? Continue the police call police for me. Wanna can't buy out police. But remember say me a British national. Can't call over so. Anything. Are you? Are you?
Yes, King Charles. Yes. Send the British Army for me. They hold me in Jamaica. Send the British Army. And within 2 minutes I hear some plane the pan. And when you look, you see about 3 ships out of sea and you wonder what kind of ship them before some cruise ship are coming and closer view. You see, say, no, sir. This coming like at the military and see them a go. Them a head to call them a head to in a one war zone. Call them send for Sophie. You know? Because she go call them. Look at you.
Social media, yo! Remember me telling you, they me afraid of you, no? They me afraid of you, no? Me run with evidence. The whole world know. Police, you can't go and go take information look take from me, you know. You have to take from me as well. They can't call police for me, and you know come on my yard as well. Me need information.
You never call police, Sophie. You never call police, so if the police don't see it is that serious to get you involved at the time, and probably go to the person who them come to and say, okay, come and lay a statement at the station tomorrow. All you have to do is call the police now too, or go to the station tomorrow. You understand? I never you call the police them, so the police them not obligated to come to you. Them go to who call them.
Me need to put my report as well.
Go to the
Me
station.
need my report. Officer, me need my report. You understand? And so I go. You can't.
Me never know, sir, here in a school you need a report. Officer, me did a pretty it up at first. Officer, me need my report. You know, like when you go to school and you left school, you go, you look for your end of term report. Me need my report. Me need... What kind of report? Did the officer have report for you? Eh? Officer have report for you? Or you need to make your report? Or you need to make us give them a statement? Which one of them? You need a report, you need a report. The officer have report for you? Where is your capital sense if you don't have any common one?
I take report from one, and you don't take from the other. Me need report as well.
I want to know listen keenly how the police are going to ask her often time what you want to report. What is your report? And she not answer. But earlier on she had the pan, wanna check me. So why you never tell the police that?
Me need report as well. Yeah. You understand, officer? Me need report as well. You understand? Me need to make my report. Me need to make my report. Me work with phone. Me work with phone.
These are calls, Tris.
So, officer, what about my report? Officer, me need my report as well. Them call police upon me, so but you don't want to hear my side of story. Yeah, officer?
Oh, sorry, she just come to Jamaica recently. So she need her medical report because she want to find out if she come down with anything. How much the report that she want? She come down so she want find out when she come down and she must go in a quarantine. So through them let her out of quarantine. Because remember, Sophie donkey. Donkey, and when you're traveling with animals 2 and 4, if it's legal for you to travel 2 and 4 with animals, like when they carry them ass from different countries to Jamaica, they have to go into quarantine. Because they have to make sure so them alright and them not carry no animal disease going to the next country. If you go populate that set of animals in another country. So probably she there in a quarantine, because remember, Sophie donkey. So probably she come out of quarantine now, she want a report, she know what is her status. Me don't know. Because I don't know what kind of report she ask the police. She give police report. She depend, officer, me want me report. Me want me report. You want to make a report. You don't want a report. Officer don't a report for you. And you never call police. So police will come to you. Police go to who call them?
No, it can't work. Officer, me need my side of story.
Listen.
Officer, I'm not going to be rude to you, okay?
Miss Dunkley, you will not find that camera.
Listen, we need to file a report as well.
What are you reporting?
What did they report? They report on me, okay? You is an officer of law.
Miss?
Them threaten me.
Miss?
Yes.
What did they threaten you to say?
Well, come out of the car. Same as so you can go over there.
Miss?
I can't.
What did they threaten you by saying?
Can you come out of the car, please? Can you please come out of the car? You is an officer of protection.
Miss?
Oh, so probably through the man them come out of the car and go to who call them. She feel like she want the same treatment for the officers to come out the car. You never call police, lady. The police can stay right there, so, and you tell him what you want to report, what the nature of the threat that you want to report, and if it is serious, and then feel like go back in there and have the tone. They will do that. If not, they tell you to come at the station tomorrow morning. Come lay a report. And if you don't want to go to the civil court, you don't go to the civil court. Alright? Simple. The officer must come out of the car to you because you never call police. You never stop police. You never say police are pass a roadside and tap them.
Yes?
You are making a report, come.
No, you go over there. Don't you go over there?
Miss,
Yes.
you make a report to that.
No, you come out of the car. I can't stand here.
Don't shine that camera on me. Don't do that.
Officer,
Miss?
I'm not shining the camera on you. Can you please come out of the car?
Miss, what are you reporting?
That sound like when a police pull you over and say, driver, can you step out of the car? Someone says, step out of the car, please. Someone say, warrant right now, boy, step out of the car. That's how she sound. Officer, can you come out of the car? Come like a she big on the police. So she see the police and suspect police. So she pull over the police and asking the police to please step out the car. Okay. Sorry, I didn't know that, Sophia. You has that power. Oh, I forgot that you come from, the King's Council. And we still rule under the King's Council when we go to court. It's no more queen, It's worship the queen, It's now the King Council. Oh, I just realized Sophie has stamp her authority, King's Council on shoulder. Oh, you have to talk to me.
don't
You
deal
have
with
to
that.
answer to
Please
the
come out
king.
of the car.
Miss, what are you reporting?
They report me. Why don't they report me to you
Miss,
for?
what are you reporting?
Okay.
When
I
you got
have to
court,
call
you
the
know.
next 999 then. I have to call 999 as well. Them call 99 on me. You supposed to go over there and
Jamaica emergency police number change 9999 49 9999. How will she get her from? Hold on the people. Police emergency number, please. Google, can you give me police emergency number, please? Police emergency number 119. Police emergency number 119. So which one she get 9999? See, Google just tell me that 119. She said 99949. She didn't even say 39, you know. She said 49. How would you ask me? Lucky she never said 991.
As an officer, you suppose no. As an officer, you're supposed to know what the conflicts.
Anyway, my people, me only try to show you these people have them own problems, them own ooze, which the whole of we have ooze somewhere along the line. But the type of ooze and problem with them have is the same thing them try to get themselves mixed up with people and feed them one. When you have your own a spoil one ice, the ice melt out pan it, you left it at Jamaica over 10 years or 8 years the last time probably you come here. You left the fish pan ice no plug-in fridge. It now have no standby generator if I even plug in fridge yourself like gone. And you left the ice pan the fish. And you know, see that ice continue up on the fish, you keep the fish. Ice melt out a fish. What you think fish are going to do? Fish are going to rotten. You understand what I say? Fish is going to rotten. So when you have fun, no business are rotten and tongue in a people one. You understand? A sound down in a people one like cautics. Anyway, people, it's time to listen to our compatriot. You see this? Our compatriot repost it on our page too, you know. Yes, man. Marcia post it, repost it. So, I'm going to make you listen. Marcia New Year resolution. Before she thinking about making the right move. Right move, make we make it right move. Tell everybody me I go make it right move. Move right move, me I go make the right move. Tell everybody me I go make the right move. Want one house, that a right move. Stop going like you're big, that a right move. Nobody going like you walking in a queen in a social media, that a right move. Right move, you fi make it right. That a right move. Listen, Marcia New Year resolution. Yes, my people, so listen, Marcia New Year resolution.
Look how nice and comfortable and easy like Sunday morning. Huh? Look at that. Go take a look at them. And look at them what trouble me. And see if. Then could have last 2 days in here. And me there 1 month. Almost 1 month. The 4th of January, 1 month.
You hear her? A brag about hype life. Anybody could have in them Marcia. Once them have the money to pay. Unlike you, we might did have a couple days and because the pastor gave the $10,000, the $1,000, you find yourself would have spent more days, so you get more opportunity to sell 2 sheet and curtain during the holiday where could accommodate a couple more days. But what I want you to do, I want you to live out January in this hotel without anybody lending or giving you any money, just by your own resources, your sheet, curtains, whatsoever you sell, and whatsoever money where you always a brag and boast sponsor you have. Live out the rest of this month on your own resources. No charity, no borrowing, no sister, no brother. And then you come prove to social media say you live big. Cause you just sit down on the high ass and now come off. You're gonna make the high ass throw you off, man. The high ass already shake you up already, you know. You're going to make it dash your floor now. Come on, fight now for your own. It's easy you come off of the high ass off of your own. More than you make the high ass throw you away at how much miles per hour it a travel. Alright.
Into a nice establishment. so pretty. I'm so pretty.
You know I want to fool you, brother.
So, what is the resolution you have for New Year?
You tell the people them what you have.
Me? My resolution for New Year is one priority. To fix all my enemy them. From the east to the west.
Enemies that you create if so be the case. Because nobody just get up and be an enemy. You create them. You understand? One way or the other, you create them. And this will always be a downfall. Because you continue, you know, to watch what people are going to say, what people are going to do. You know? So, no care. You honor the ass belly and the saddle run with you and drop on your hand of the horse belly. And everybody say you under the horse belly and hold on the top of the saddle. If the girth drop ever bust, you drop right a ground. You still come in and phone make it look like you're on top of the saddle. So you're in control because you have the horse mane in your hand. Because you're on top of the horse. But we are say you're under the horse are actually going to drop off of the horse. But just to make it look like you're on top because what? You're watching us outside here. What are we going to say? And that is your biggest problem. But you know why you have to do that? Because of the person where you portray yourself to be.
And to not
you portray yourself to be a certain individual and you are not.
To see all my enemy them and adversity go down.
You come with them too.
That is my New Year's resolution. Me no want everything else is good. But that is my New Year's resolution.
No feel like say you can't push down somebody and want to grab on you and carry you too. Want to go grab on you and carry you too. You try remember.
See my enemy trample. Me trample
so be
them
careful where you wish.
That is my New Year's resolution.
Okay. The amount I wish you will still like not come true because God not answer prayer like phone, you know.
Because I know say as long as me depend this earth here, me not beg for bread. You understand? Me always gonna have a roof over my head. But me want to see my enemy them defeated. What is song with Marcia playing? Oh. Blood, them up here, man. Get with knife and get the cutlass. The spirit. And we just cut loose. We just go from the east to the west to the north to the south. And that's what we're going to do to them. We're going for a spiritual warfare upon them.
Marcia, you are going to lose and lose and lose and lose. Lose again. Lose you. Any spiritual warfare, you're going to lose, Marcia. Because no righteous angel are traveling with you, Marcia. Marcia, all the angel that is traveling with you is some fake fallen angel, Marcia, that has been serving the devil, Marcia. Marcia, there is no real angel from above that is following you, Marcia. Marcia, angel don't follow people like you, Marcia. Marcia, there's a lot of time good and real angel try to turn you around, Marcia. You continue to be the person you are, Marcia. So at this time, Marcia, there is no real angel from above, from Father God, that is traveling with you. Okay, Marcia? So all the way you wish people, you're going to end up down there too. Or even worse, how much things you wish people? Name out the people that you wish how much things, sir. And right now, they're in a better position than you. Right now.
Take back what the enemy stole from us. That is my New Year's resolution. To see my enemy. Walk upon them. That's what I do. We want to make them smash up their enemy.
The enemy go and pass your road and ground and do if they walk upon you, them walk around you. Because you're not qualified enough to walk on. So your enemy them when you want to see, when you claim you want to see a ground, when you are going to walk on, and you are going to ground, and them are going to see you, and them are going to them are going to look at you, much as see say you're there ground to walk on you. Because them glimpse, them walk wide. So you know where to walk on, Marcia. You go and wish all kind of bad things to people in a phone. And you should have learned, as me say, for the past 3 months, what you have been wishing on people, 3 or 4 months you have been wishing on people. You don't see how much things I take you. You know, so much things take you back to back. So you should have learned from that. I mean, know for your age where you is, them tell you say be careful what you wish on people might come round to haunt you. And that is what is happening to you. So, say for instance, you never remember that parables, the other phrase there. Be careful of what you wish for people, else it will come around to haunt you. After you do all that for the past 3-4 months, wishing this that man there on there, so the woman put him out, wishing the woman in a plane crash with the woman with how much people in it, wishing earthquake shake down the woman house, you wish this, you wish that. Recently you start wishing the woman by X6 and end up in a hospital, and you wish all kind of things. You should have realized that all those things that you have been wishing for people, and many others we didn't even talk about, even me myself. When you tell me say you want, months ago you tell me how much you want them boy at Jamaica, this and tara me that. So if you even remember the phrase, all I will take you for the past 2.5 months after you wishing so much bad for people for over 4 months, you should have realized and said, Jesus, but me remember them used to say, be careful of what you wish for people, because it might turn out to haunt you. And sit down in one corner in the hotel, in one of the darkest place, and reminisce and try looking at yourself, you know, and say, alright, new year, I want a new year resolution. Right move, me I go make the right move. Me I go allow the people them in a social media. Right move, me I go the right move. Me I go start think about when me own a house. Right move, me I go make the right. Yes man, that you have to sit down and do. And learn from your mistake. You're a big woman now. You're not picking no more where you continue to do the same thing over and over and feel like say each time you do it, you have an opportunity because you're still young and you're pick this. So people will, you know, look over it, and people with this, and God will forgive you and all kind of things. You're whole now. Your age come off of almanac. If you put 2 almanac together, your age come off of it because you're 63. And the longest month is 31 days. So if you put all of that together, you get 62. So you go over that by 1. Then if you put 2 almanac together, you still can't find your age by almanac. You understand what I'm saying? Unless you go put 2 months in a one, and it still go fall short by 1. And you have to go search 2 months where I carry 31 days. And you still fall short. So you see, so you can't find your age by almanac, so? Alright.
Enemy camp. We want them go down. Way down into the valley. To the bottomless pit of never to return. And that is my New Year's resolution. Nothing else. I don't care who they are. I could have baby. They could have big or small. If them are my enemy, they must perish. Seen and unseen. Straight to the pit of hell. That is my New Year's resolution. Court's adjourned. That's all. Anything else, may good to go. That's all. Anything else, I'm good to go.
It's not. It's not sorrow, people. It's a joy to hear. I can't talk, people. Me can't manage. But it's not sorrow. It's a joy to hear her pushing herself further and further down. So, don't worry, nothing is wrong with me. You know, I just have a tender. Speak your mind, people. I come out for a video. But just remember, it's not sorrow, it's just joy. I'm going to enjoy myself in her corner. You know, she's just putting herself further and further down. So I'm just having a joy cry here. So speak my people, don't know what to do. Continue to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Continue to watch the ads. Remember to press the thumbs up. Remember the young entrepreneur college student. Link of our YouTube channel is in the comment section pin. Go over there and give her a subscription. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Nah, cost you nothing. Just give her a subscription. Remember the cash up pin in the comment section. Me tear off one piece, it now go work. Too much eye water come. Joy. Thanks for watching. I'm out.